It's all over now.
Oh, is it?
Don't say congratulations, but you know they watch that shit. I ain't even gon' get mad. I'm young, black and rich. She tryna sell me lies, bitch. I ain't buying shit. If we ain't talking money, then I'ma plead the fifth. I put ice in my mouth, yeah, I'm hydrated. I ain't even gon' get.
But it feels like an eternity since I had you here with me, since I had to learn to be someone you don't know, to be with you in paradise. What I wouldn't sacrifice, why'd you have to chase the light somewhere I can't go? As I walk this world alone, as I walk this world alone. It's an endless night, it's a starless sky, it's a hell that I call home. It's a long goodbye on the other side of the only life I know. And if
I'm falling in love. Look what it made me become. I let you get too close, just to wake up alone. And I know you think you can run. You're scared to believe I'm the one, but I just can't let you go.